I would request Director Tourism Rashmi Sharma ji to please come for her address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Shriman Gaj Singh Ji Sahab, Madam Gayatri Rathore, Principal Secretary Tourism, Government of Rajasthan, Shri Kuldeep Singh Chandela Ji, President, FHTR, and also on behalf of all the organizations, as you just mentioned, Shri Surinder Singh Shahpura Sahab, Senior Vice President, FHTR and Co-Chairman, FICCI, Rajasthan, Shri Boob Sahab, President Jhara, Shri Virender Singh Shekhawat, Secretary General FHTR, Shri Chandrasekhar Singh Ji, President Taj, all the panelists today, ladies and gentlemen. Stakeholders' consultations are the key to success of any interventions done or any policies made by the department. I'm extremely grateful to the fraternity and FHTR for successfully engaging with the department in this endeavor as we move to the 4th edition of Rajasthan Domestic Travel Month, for bringing in all the various associations and bodies together as one single voice. And we sincerely appreciate that, and I thank you all for doing so. Further, the initiative not only promotes the domestic tourism in the state, but also aligns with the theme taken up by the department for promoting during the course of the years. Last year, we had picked up responsible and sustainable tourism practices, which meant voicing the locals and also minimizing the carbon footprint. And in the RDTM 2023, the same theme was amplified. So we appreciate this alignment. This year again, efforts are on to promote the state as a popular wedding destination. Wed in India, as you are all aware, has been the theme recently during the GITB. And I'm thankful particularly to FHTR that RDTM shall steer the theme too. And we have a panel discussion around the same theme. Ma'am, I would like to reiterate, before you came, they coined a new term. So instead of mice, we all have been wise enough to change the M for a W. So it is wedding now, and we are all very, very wise indeed, and compliments for that again. Must compliment Shri Kuldeep Singh Chandela ji for bringing us to this beautiful sun city, where heritage seems to be the way of life, where traditions and culture have been retained in day-to-day experiences. As you say, pardon me if I'm wrong in my diction, but Jodhpur ri apnaya tu rubru hono aaj mane mauko milyo sa. So in the morning today, we happened to witness all of this. So while we were engaging in the heritage walk today, from Fatehpur to Navchokia and all the Havelis during the course of this walk, we also got to know about the unique character, unique water harvesting systems. Our ancestors had already planned that centuries ago. So that is particularly the perspective planning. And this is the perspective planning at its very best. So happy also to see the lanes of the blue cities, which I had not seen before, and all the heritage Havelis. I'm glad that the department is curating these and weaving all of these such segments together in a new project coming up under Swadesh Darshan 2 scheme. In present times, people, especially youth, opt for experiential tourism. So we are trying to curate things around those, like we did today again. So Pungalpada में चतुर्भुज का गुलाब जामुन खाया आज, आड़ा बाजार का मोहन जी का लड्डू, जोधपुरी मिर्ची बड़ा और प्याज की कचौड़ी, मक्खन या लस्सी का लुत्फ उठाया। पर सबसे ज्यादा मजा आज हमें जो आया वो ऐतिहासिक जेतावेरा के कुएं में खुद पानी निकाल के हमने मीठा पानी आज वहां से पिया। So that is such a beautiful thing which is existing. So such are our unique experiences. We must tap these. Sir, I would request for your guidance in protecting, conserving all of these together. We have it all here in our state. We have heritage. We think about its preservation. We think about its conservation. We know about our food trails. We know about our living traditions. There is intangible cultural heritage, especially in the western districts and we are trying to do that conservation by means of ICH interventions through UNESCO, be it juti makers, be it dari makers, be it langas, be it manganiyas. We have a lot to offer. We are fortunate to have the vision and constant guidance of Gaj Singh Ji Sahab, fondly addressed as Babji. So your support to the tourism industry is respected, sir, and your blessings during the entire endeavor is solicited. I'm sure, sir, we will get that from you. I'm confident that this event will serve as a catalyst and a force multiplier, giving a significant boost to tourism and tourism-centric activities in Rajasthan. Let's join hands to showcase the best of Rajasthan tourism's offerings, fostering sustainable practices, unlocking new avenues for our state's remarkable tourism industry. Together, let's make this edition of RDTM a memorable and impactful one. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all in Jaipur for the 4th edition of the Rajasthan Domestic Travel Mart 2024. And again, for welcoming all the stakeholders from Jodhpur. मैं आशा करूं अब की बार आप सगळा जना RDTM માં જયપુરમાં જરૂર પધારશો. Thank you.